finally made it. Let's head over to Satuli Canteen. We made a mobile order several hours ago, so we're gonna get lunch and some beverages, and then we're gonna check out everything new at Animal Kingdom for the first time in like months.
Let's go.
Here at Satuli Canteen. Our mobile order is now ready, so we're gonna head on inside and eat some food.
Very excited.
So we just got up from a nice relaxing lunch at Satuli Canteen, and Kali River Rapids is currently a 20-minute wait. And
gotta get real wet.
It's nice and warm and sunny today, so I think we're gonna head over and ride that, to Tyler's dismay.
I'm not a water ride person, but it is hot enough that it'll be fine. So
and just for context, the first time we ever came to Disney together, I was always about going on the water rides.
Splash
so
Mountain
it's been a running joke.
You.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Splash Mountain because of heights and just general anxiety. But I always have loved Kali River Rapids, and even though, you know, you're a little soggy afterward, it's always fun. And the first time we went, it was so hot. It was the middle of July.
It was necessary.
We had to ride it like several times to get wet because we kept getting unlucky.
Times.
And then finally, once we got fully soaked, we were like, okay, we'll stop.
We didn't just get soaked, like we got full on just, might as well have just jumped in the pool, called it a day.
Also,
but it was nice because of how hot it was.
I really miss the days when rides like that you could like go on back to back to back.
Yeah.
With a short wait, even in the middle of summer.
Yep.
Those days are unfortunately gone.
Womp womp.
But anyway, let's head over to Asia and go get wet. So we are now heading into the queue for Kali River Rapids. It's definitely gotten a lot warmer. We're ready to get a little wet and cool off.
Yeah. It's definitely time.
Let the record reflect. Tyler is now very excited about this.
I don't hate this ride. It's like I have to be a certain level, and I'm hot and sweaty enough that I'm like, yeah, it's time to get soaked on a water ride so I don't like faint.
Anyway, let's go have some fun. One thing I'm a little curious about in terms of the logistics of this ride post-pandemic is if or how they're going to social distance groups on the ride.
Yeah.
I mean, I anticipate masks are going to be required on the ride even though it's a water ride.
That alone is going to be complicated.
But are they going to put seats separately? Are they going to give X number of parties per raft?
Yeah.
Because we have not done this ride since
probably 2019,
before
like almost
the pandemic.
2 years. Yeah.
So it has been a long time since we've been on this.
Yeah, it probably has been 2 years. The anticipation.
Oh no.
Things you get me to do.
So we just went on a very nice ride on Cali River Rapids. We got a little wet, but not soaked, which is actually kind of perfect because we were able to cool off, but we don't feel like soggy, wet dogs.
Like we went into a shower with all of our clothes on.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like water rides, but that was actually quite nice and refreshing, and I needed that because it is hot.
And we had a fun crew of people. Just to follow up on what I was talking about earlier, they are filling every single seat on the rafts.
There were 2 empty, but that's
but you do have to wear your mask at all times while on the ride. So it was completely fine, very fun, nice to cool off. And now we're going to continue cooling off with one of our favorite things here at Animal Kingdom. We're going to get the boozy frozen Cokes.
Boozy frozen Coke.
So we just finished up our beverages and enjoyed a few of the little boat parade things. And now we're going to head over to the safari.
Yep.
Let's see if we can have any luck seeing the lions.
Upside down tree because it kind of looks like the roots are coming out of the top. We call it group of flamingo. So these are the greater flamingo. They get that name because they are the largest species of flamingo we were talking about earlier. And then that little brown antelope. Totally missed up.
Oh. Simba is out.
I want to see that large mane. Oh, and he's yawning. One up and about, and then there's one in that hole there. Everyone kind of sleeping down in that burrow. There's each in the world. Obviously, they will stay that cute for their entire lives.
That was single-handedly the best safari we've done here. We saw like everything. We saw female lions, male lions, the one that actually was modeled after the new Lion King for Simba. So it was really good.
Yeah, and we picked a really good time to get on.
Yeah.
Because so many animals were getting their like lunch or dinner.
Oh yeah, the giraffes. It was so cute. It was
So we got some real good close-ups of giraffes and rhinos, and we even saw the lions and cheetahs.
Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my! I'm so sorry. Please cut that out.
So now we're gonna head over to Nomad Lounge and have some drinks and relax a little bit, cool off because it is still hot and I'm still overheated.
Yeah, Nomad is my favorite bar in all of Disney, and you will see why in just a moment.
So, pro tip.
Fun fact.
if you want to get around to Pandora or Nomad Lounge easily from Africa, just start walking toward Festival of the Lion King, and there is a path that runs right along the water.
It's super relaxing.
That takes you right there, and it's always not crowded.
You also pass by the Club 33 at Animal Kingdom, which, hi, our subscribers and followers, if any of you have Club 33 access, feel free to message us or comment below.
Please. So we are now at Nomad Lounge. We are dining indoors here for the very first time ever. We normally sit outside on the patio that overlooks the river. It's like a very tropical, relaxing situation. So this is going to be a nice change of pace. It's actually nice to get some air conditioning.
Yeah.
So we're going to get some drinks and just chill for a little bit.
Yes, we are. Gonna scan the QR code right now.
And if you're looking for suggestions here, I always love getting the Annapurna Zing for drinks.
Yeah.
I've actually never gotten food here, but Tyler has gotten
I've had the lobster mac and cheese, and I'm a seafood person, so if you're into that, get it. Don't hold back. Run for it, because it's so good. But it's also a fully open bar, too, and I've oftentimes gotten something different, just something that I'm kind of craving, but yeah, the Annapurna Zing is like...
And a lot
really
of the
good.
food from the Tiffin's menu is available here.
The bread service, which is amazing if you've not had that before. It's the same bread service at Sanaa at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
It's apparently like, there's apparently some sort of like little bit of a rivalry of bread services.
We've not tried Sanaa, so that might be something for a future video.
So comment below if you think we should head over to Animal Kingdom Lodge and check out Sanaa and try more bread.
All the carbs, all the time.
All the time. So we just got the churros as an appetizer here at Nomad Lounge. Get the churros. They come with this delightful. They come with this delightful vanilla sauce and a strawberry chili sauce, both of which were incredible. And pro tip per our server: mix the two sauces together, and you get a wonderful, wonderful dipping sauce for these churros.
Chef's kiss. Yep.
And the churros themselves were amazing. They had the perfect amount of sugar.
Yeah. They just come out of the fryer too.
Yeah, they were like nice and hot
fresh
and
really good.
Honestly, they're the best churros I've had since I went to Mexico back in 2018. So that's saying something.
Yeah.
Hello again.
Hello,
We just left Nomad Lounge. I got a second drink called the Spice Trade Classic, which was like gin, club soda, strawberry, and lemon, and it was delightfully refreshing. And Tyler got another Annapurna Zing.
Those are just so good. I can't not get them. So.
And now we're gonna peruse some shops as the park's about to close. And then we're gonna go check in at our hotel and hit up Disney Springs. So that is a wrap for Animal Kingdom today. We didn't get the chance to do Flight of Passage or check out Celebration of Festival of the Lion King, but you know what? We can come back and do another vlog. So we will be back very soon.
Just means more content for you all to consume, so, and more motivation for us to do more videos.
Right. So with that, please like, subscribe, share,
comment,
etc.
invite your friends and family and loved ones,
and
etc.
And be sure to follow us on Instagram. We're so close to 10,000 followers, so any help and support would be much appreciated. We will link our Instagram below. And again, we're so glad to share our trip with you, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.